Hello everybody, hello traders, welcome back to another video from Trading Made Easy. In this video we're gonna show you live how we trade our 5-minute binary options trading strategy. This time we're gonna show you how to do it on an offshore binary options platform and not like on an exchange based. We know most of you and are still doing some offshore binary options and you have a broker and stuff. We want to show you how it works using an offshore binary options broker. For this scenario, we are going to use the Markets World platform. If you're not familiar, we're not affiliated with them. Um, we just have a good past experience with these guys, and we just gonna show you on their platform how we do it. So I'm not gonna go into some very detail about the terms of the strategy because we have a full course about it and how where basically in the course we cover the entries. I just gonna take some live trades. I'm gonna take a look at my charts. I'm not gonna guide you on what to look for. I'm just gonna look at myself. I'm just gonna take it just to let you, just to show you that this system works if you work it. Okay, if you follow the rules and everything is lining up, this system works, and it works even on a one-to-one. Well, kind of one-to-one. It's not really one-to-one. It's like 1 to 0.75 risk-reward ratio. That's what you deal with when you do offshore binary options. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to just jump right in and see what we have here. Okay. I'm just going to keep looking at the chart. For now, I have the EUR/USD 5 minutes here. Let's see. Okay, so we are now at 10:22. So basically, we are in the middle of the current 5-minute candle. We might need to do some waiting for the next one. So let me pause this and I'll be back with you in like a couple of minutes because we want to go to the 10:30 candle. So bear with me and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this current 5-minute is about to expire. We didn't take any trade. We'll wait now for this current one, the 10:35 candle. No, actually the 10:30. So we got to do some waiting 1 minute, and then we'll be able to enter. That's with the market world. Apparently they have like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then like 10 minutes. So in order to get to the next 5-minute expiration, which is 10:30 a.m., we need to wait like 30 more seconds. Probably by then we'll have some entry. I see that a possible entry is coming in, so I'm just gonna get prepared here, and I'm just gonna be ready to take it. Let's see what will happen in about 8 seconds when this expiration will be available. Okay, there you go, 10:30. Okay, I'm still waiting on the entry here. I'm gonna put my value here. I'm gonna actually buy this, and I'm going to execute it pretty soon. Yeah, I'm gonna execute it right now. So it gave me a 446 strike. Not what I really wanted. I really wanted more towards the 439. Let's see. That might be enough. So basically, I entered a buy signal on the EUR/USD for 10:30, which is around 3 minutes from now. I might gonna get another entry here because it didn't give me didn't give me the exact strike I wanted. So I'm just gonna get another one right now at 411. Okay, now it gave me a better strike at 409. This is really a good one. And we have around 3 minutes to go. And now it might give me another entry actually. So I might gonna get another one here. Oh, it gave me 401. I wanted to get the 390. Because the platform is pretty slow here. But you see that every entry, I'm not increasing my size. I'm not like martingaling or stuff. I'm just leaving it, as it is. In case I get 2 in and 1 out, I'm still in profit, so I don't care. My goal is, of course, to get all 3 in. But let's see what will happen. For now, 2 of my strikes are in the money. You see the green here. And the good thing about that is with an exchange-based binary option, so basically you can do, you can get like 30, like not 30, like 16 or $20 risk to make a potential reward of like 80 to 85. And here basically you see that we're risking $300 on all 3 instead of like just maybe $40 or $50 if it was like an exchange. Okay, we have 2 exchanges that are currently available. You know their names. I'm not gonna mention them here. But yeah, basically you see that the market is kind of reacting good to the signal. Let's see, we have 1 more minute to go, less than a minute. We'll see what will happen here. 1 is in the money, the other one is still struggling, the other 2. We have around 25 seconds to go. Okay, and as you can see, we ended up in the money here, I think. Yeah, we had 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade. That's what we wanted to get. Actually, the thing is that with this strike, we actually executed at 390 instead of 401. So that kind of gave us kind of worse strike, but it won anyways, these 2. So we're now up 70 plus 70, that's 140, minus 100, that's $40 profit. Okay, let's see what we have here again. Okay, right now we don't see, it doesn't give me anything. I still don't see anything coming in. I might actually see something. We have anyways, we don't have any strike available for the 35 yet. So actually it might give me something. Looking at the around the 420, 425 strike. I'm going to wait till the 1035 will be available. But this was a really good trade, the first one. You see, the good example here is that we're not martingaling. I mean, we're not like increasing the size on every strike. If you'll do that, you might be successful in the short term, but in the long term, it's not going to work for you. Now we're talking about like a $10,000, a demo account. So let's say if you have just, just a 1K, okay, $1,000. Of course, you're not going to risk the whole 300. right? You're gonna manage the funds. You're gonna do 6%, right? We're always talking about the 6%. So you're gonna risk $60. That's basically it's basically yeah, $20 per trade. That's the risk you want to go with. So in this case, the profit was $70, 70%. 70%, that will give you $14 profit times 2, that's 28 minus the overall 20, that's $8 profit in like, you know, just a couple of minutes. If you do it over and over again, you can make a lot of money just by following the rules, honestly. So right now I'm seeing a sell coming in. Probably not in this current 5 minute, but in the next 5 minutes. That's why I'm gonna stop the video and I'll be back in like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we're back. This 5 minute candle ended. Remember, we didn't have any trade in. So we're waiting for this candle to give us something. It probably will give us something. The bias is now changing to a sell. We need to wait like 41 seconds just to get the correct expiration time. Remember, now it's 10:35. We want to go with 10:40. That's a 5 minute strategy. We're not gonna go with 10 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We want to go with 5 minutes. That's what we do here. Just saying, hopefully it will climb a little bit more and then we'll be able to take it. And remember, I'm just risking 100 per trade just because it's a demo account of $10,000. But you need to adjust yours to whatever your money management gives you the option to do. Okay, now we have a possible entry, so we're just gonna enter it right now for a sell. Gives us 331. That's okay. That's probably what we wanted to go with. And it's immediately reacting to it. My trigger is still on the buy, on the sell, sorry. I mean on the execution button, because in case it will go to a higher strike, I want to be ready to execute it and try to get in another position before expiration. So I'm just holding to it. I don't think it will go higher than that. I think that in the next 2 minutes it will just drop towards the 300 level. But of course, you can never know. We'll let the market do whatever it can. If you do exchange-based binary options, the good thing is that on some signals you can scalp. Scalping means basically entering at a buy, for example, for $16 and then get out at 50, making around $30 profit after fees. That's a great way because the 5 minutes are moving way fast, and that can be a great way not to hold till expiration, but when you do regular binary options, what we call offshore binary options, so you can't really scalp it. I mean, it's not accurately, and some brokers like Market won't give you even the option to scalp. So you're kind of locked till expiration, but you can get the odds or the probability. I don't like the word odds, but the probability is into your favor just by utilizing the right technical analysis and following the rules of the system. So we have 2 minutes here left. We're doing pretty good. I mean, this one is not even looking back, but again, the 5 minutes are moving pretty fast. So we're not going to jump into any conclusions. We're just going to let the market do whatever it has to do. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds to go on this. We're 3 points out, even 4 points in, actually, and it looks pretty good to me. Nothing to do with offshore binary options. Just wait. It's a waiting game. We have around 1 minute to go, so we'll just watch it do its magic. It looks pretty good so far. I love the way it moves. The charts are, everything is lining up, and it looks pretty good to me. 1 minute to go here, less than 1 minute, 50 seconds to go. We're still deep in the money, what we love to call it. And yeah, for me, that's a 90% win as far as I see it. That was a really good entry here. We caught it right at the strike I wanted at 330. It even gave us 1 point above it, which was pretty nice of it to do. So yeah, that will take us to 70, and another 70. That's 210 minus 100. That's 110, right? I'm not really good at math, but 70 times 3, that's 210 minus 100. That's $110 in profit in, like, you know, what was that, like 10 minutes? So yeah, here you go, another winning trade. So that was just a short video just to show you. I really want to stick around and just look for another setup for you, just so you think that it's not just pure luck. So I'm just gonna give the chart another option to give me a good strike. I'm just going to do some waiting. We anyway need to wait for the 45 strike to come in. So I'm just going to wait, and I'll just pause the video for a couple of seconds and I'll be back. Actually, I don't need to pause it because we're getting there already. So just let's get on moving. Get this bad boy going, and let's see if we get another strike in. 6 seconds until this one will open. Trying to look for the 350 strike at this point. I'm not sure why it's not giving me. Probably we need to wait for another minute or two. No, not two, for another minute. It's still giving me only the 44. But hypothetically, right now, more or less right now, I would have entered here at 350, 351. But let's see, it's a shame that it doesn't give me the 45 strike. But let's see, we might get even a better price. Who knows? 20 seconds to go here. Still around the 350. Hopefully it will stay there when the new expiry will open. Maybe go higher than that a little bit. Still around that. 3 seconds, 2 seconds to go, and now it should give me the option. No, it's not giving me the option. That's weird. Kind of skipping it. Let's see. Okay, I will give it another minute. That's weird. I mean, even the payout just went lower than 70. I don't know. I'm not really familiar with the platform. I'm just following it because it's I have good past experience with that on live account a few years back, but you know they always change it. So let's see what will happen in 20 seconds. Honestly, I don't know why I don't have it, but if we would have entered at 351, that would have been a nice entry. We might just kind of paper it. I don't know. We'll see what will happen in like 8 seconds. I'm sorry about this, guys. Let's see. Okay, 10:55 is in. I'm going into 353. I'm going to sell it right now at 355, 354, and obviously it's going to give me the 346 strike. Okay, oh well. Let's see what will happen here. I still think it will be good. We have 2 minutes to go here. Yeah, I guess it's also like a connection. The connection has effect on it. I don't know. This is also a demo account. Not sure if you read the recent article we wrote about how demo accounts usually are very different than live accounts. On exchange base, for example, it gives sometimes an order might not get filled on demo when it got filled on live account. Just because demo accounts, it's pretty, based on our experience, it's kind of lagging than live accounts. Live accounts are much faster. Um, right now we're 2 points in the money. That's pretty good. Even though it gives us the 346, it still looks pretty good. And yeah, let's see. We have 40 seconds to go here. And let's see what will happen. I mean, yeah, it definitely looks solid. Everything was lining up, even if we entered at 55 back when we should have. If we had the expiration available, that would be a beautiful win, a beautiful also scalp. And yeah, it looks pretty solid to me. 20 seconds to go here. It gives us the 68% profit. So it's not, usually it gives us around 70, 75. But again, I don't know why. Probably because it was just 2 minutes to expiration. But look at that, it's just bumping down, and that was a beautiful win. So yeah, that's basically, let's see, 68 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70, that's $278 minus the 100 that we lost. That's $178 profit in like 15 minutes. And that's with an offshore binary options. It's not even like an exchange. Think about that, how you would have done it with risking only $16 to make a potential profit of 84. That's crazy. So for the one of you who still doing offshore binary options, that the 5 minute will work for you. As you can see, you just need to follow the rules, and you just need to follow the system, get your emotional sides, apply all the money management rules that we are giving you in the course and on the blog, and you'll be golden. For real, this is the best 5 minute strategy you will ever found online, whether if you do an exchange-based binary options, whether if you do an offer binary options. This system is for you. And in the description, we will have the link to get the system. We're now offering a Memorial Day promotion for 35% off. And of course, all of our services and courses are 30 days money back guarantees if the value of the course or service wasn't covered during the first 30 days using the system or the signals. And of course, you get an access to the chat, to the Telegram chat, where we provide setups, and we look, one of our admin look for potential entries and discuss the strategy in the chat. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a happy rest of your day, and good luck to all of you. Remember, $178 profit in 15 minutes. See you later.